In this video, we are going to check how to configure OnePlus Connect application with this TV and use that application as a remote. By the time you can install that application on your device, on your Android device, on your mobile phone, and you can use the same as a remote control for this particular TV. So this application is widely available in Google Play Store. Otherwise, if it is already installed on your device, you can quickly pair with this TV and you can quickly start working. So let's see how to connect this application with TV and what are the features available with this application. So before we start checking the features, we need to confirm one thing, that this TV and the device both should be in a same network. So I'll be checking that my TV is now connected with this Wi-Fi connection, and I can see the SSID is OnePlus Store. So I'll check with my device also, the mobile I use, where I'll be confirming if it is connected with the same network or not. So this is my device. So I'll check, yes, my Wi-Fi is connected to OnePlus Store. So both mobile and TV both are in same network. So now let's see how to use this OnePlus Connect application. What are the features we have? What are the quick steps we have? And first of all, see, my application is already installed. Otherwise, you can go to Play Store and simple, we can search with OnePlus Connect in the search area, and you can download the application. So I'll go back. I'll turn on this OnePlus Connect. See, this is okay. I'll completely eliminate the application once, then I'll turn on it from starting. So now I'll turn on the application. See, this is the application, and we can see clearly different options are available: profile, local, and explore. And apart from that, we have a remote button here, and these are the content available which you can see directly on your TV. Okay, so I'll go to remote directly, and if you see the trackpad on this area, you can use your finger on this trackpad. You can see if I go up and down, left and right, so it is work like that. So it's a trackpad. You can use it as a cursor maybe on the TV screen, and there is a back button. This is the back button. If you click on this back button, TV will come to the home screen. Okay, apart from that, I'll show you, we have different options available, different buttons. This button, if you click this, you'll be getting a screenshot of TV like this. I've just taken a screenshot, so you can capture the screenshot on your mobile. We have a Google Assistant button. You can click on this and open YouTube. See, this is working on TV. So this is how we can use your Google voice assistant, and you can open any application on TV. If we click on back, yes. So this is two feature. Another thing is OnePlus button. If you click on this button, the Oxygen Play VOD application will open directly. And this button this particular button, if you hold this button, quickly setting option you can access on TV. So I'll go to back. Yes. Apart from that, if you slide this bar, you'll be getting a lot of application available, and based on that, whatever you want to open, quickly execute, you can execute from here. Suppose I want to open Google Play Store, so I'll click on this, and see, the TV is opening Google Play Store. So this is how we can quickly access the applications from here. So I'll click on the back button. I'll go to the home screen. Okay, this is home screen. Apart from that, we have this power button to power on or power off the TV, and we have a 3-dot option in the corner. If we click on that, you'll be getting an option like input. If you click on input, so the TV will be visible with some input bars on the bottom corner. I'll try that once again. Click on this input. So I click on the setting option from there, so you can see the setting bar is visible. Okay, so from there also you can access setting. Okay, the TV is back to the home screen. So I'll try opening the input button, inputs, and see multiple inputs are available like USB channels, AV, HDMI, HDMI RC. So you can select any one from them. So this is a quick option to check the input and to switch to different input. And again I'll be clicking on the back button, so TV is back to the home screen. So these are the overall features we have with OnePlus Connect application. We can use this feature, and these are very cool features, I guess, and you can use your mobile phone as a remote for this OnePlus TV. And apart from that, I'll show you a few different settings on this application. So yes, I'll go to profile, so you can see the profile option, and definitely if you go to setting, see the smart volume control is available, so you can turn on or turn off this option. What is smart volume control? Automatically TV will adjust TV volume when an incoming call is detected. So suppose you're watching something on the TV and you're using this mobile as a remote control. So on the very moment if you get a call on this device, so you don't need to worry, the TV volume will automatically will be adjusted to 10, and you can receive your call, and after that you cut the call, again the TV volume will come back to the original. Okay, so this is the feature. You can turn on or turn off. If you don't want to use this feature, you can turn off from here. And screenshot option, there is the screenshot which I was taking from the application. It will include the TV frame, so you can turn on or turn off. Touch sensitivity I have given fast, even you can configure that. You can configure and you can use general, fast, or whatever as per your convenience. And you can use some quick gestures of remote, like long press to return to the home page. Okay, these are the option. And the back button also, slide inward from the left or right edge to go back. So these are the features that are available. You can turn on or turn off this feature as per your convenient, as per your wish. So this is the application, and definitely you can go to the about and we can check the version, and if there is any update pending, you can quickly update that application from Google Play Store. So that's all about the application, and this is, I feel this could be a great application to use in your mobile to access your TV quickly and running applications, use a Google Assistant. A lot of features are there. So this is how we can use OnePlus Connect application.